G'day, here's a Bremer River update, 4th of March 2022. The river is receding at a very slow rate. It's probably going down about 4 inches an hour. It's gone down a fair bit, obviously, from the flood. It's nearly at the base of the poinciana tree, but there's still a fair whack of water, and it is definitely not flowing very fast at all. If you look at that stick there, that's the flow rate. So obviously the Ivanhoe is still holding it back a bit, but we were blessed that it didn't come up to our floorboards on the house. And that was our yardstick at the start of the floods. The fork in that tree there, it's just below that, probably about a metre. But there's still a lot of water. And the ground is definitely saturated. They're saying that we should get severe storms tonight. So hopefully the river won't rise too much with that happening. But the ground is definitely saturated. There's a lot of debris from the river in our yard, but we can deal with that later on. We're currently cleaning up the house because of all the mud traced in through walking up and down stairs. We should get our furniture, dishwasher, mattresses and washing machine back in the next day or so. But we were saved. But we still have our hearts out to all the people that were inundated, and we pray that they get back to normal soon. Anyway, this is just a short update of what the Bremer River looks like at Karalee, Ipswich, Queensland. Till next time.